This garlic and onions recipe grew my hair so much. If this sounds like something you'll be interested in, continue watching. The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous man runs into it and is saved. Proverbs 18 verse 10. Our first ingredient is garlic. This is what I refer to small but mighty, because this right here cures a whole lot of things with so much benefits. Garlic contains sulfur, which is responsible for collagen production, essential for hair growth. Garlic contains minerals such as zinc and selenium, which also help maintain strong hair and a healthy hair. It also prevents breakage. Garlic contains antimicrobial properties which help fight dandruff and other scalp infection. Garlic has the ability to circulate blood to the scalp, which provide the scalp with adequate nutrients and oxygen for your hair to thrive. I'm peeling out the back of the garlic because if you're blending it, the back won't blend. That is why I'm peeling it out. After peeling it out, I proceed to washing it. For those who can access fresh garlic like this one, I'm not sure you can use the powdered one because I don't think it is potent enough for this. I think the fresh one is the best. Our next ingredient is onions. Onions is my first hair growth remedy I ever used on my hair, and since that day, I can vouch for it. The sulfur present in onions can help in collagen production, which help the production of healthy hair cells. Onion stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair follicle. The sulfur in onions enhances blood circulation to the scalp, which prevents hair loss. Onions have natural antibacterial properties that can help fight scalp infection, dandruff. Onions is a natural way to treat dandruff and any kind of bacteria or fungal infection on the scalp. Ever since I started using onions for my hair has doubled in length, in thickness. Like onions is going to grow out your hair very fast. So after peeling the back, I went ahead to wash it. Then I am going to cut it into chunks for me to blend. For those who will be using a grater, you do not have to cut it into chunks. Just go ahead and grate it. But because I'm using a blender, I am going to cut it into chunk. Then I'll go ahead and pour it into my blender and blend it into a paste. Onions is so powerful. Like when I applied this to my hair was so hot. Like I can feel the heat coming out from my hair. This is because of the effectiveness of the onions. It shows you that the onions and the garlic mixed together is a powerhouse for your hair to thrive. So for those of you who don't like the smell of onions, you can go ahead and add your lemon juice or vinegar to neutralize the smell. I'll go ahead and blend this. Now this is what it looks like after I have blended it. The next step is for me to strain it using a cheesecloth. We are going to be throwing away the chaff, but for some people you can still use this for your onions oil by infusing your oil into it. But for this video, we're just going to be making use of the water. So I will go ahead and strain it. Due to the high sulfur content of this, some people might develop allergy. Some people might start itching after using it. You might even develop redness on your scalp. So it is important for you to do a batch test before you go ahead to use it, because this is very potent. If you can use onions and garlic on your hair for just 1 month and you are experiencing hair loss, you are experiencing stunted growth, be rest assured that if you can continue using onions maybe 2 or 3 times in a month, your hair is going to grow. Because immediately I apply this on my hair, I can feel the hotness on my scalp. Like the high sulfur content of this is really amazing. This will grow your hair. This is all your hair needs. Okay, after extracting the juice, I'll go ahead and transfer it into an applicator bottle. This will make it easier for me to get it to my scalp because that is where I really need it. If by any chance you notice that you might be allergic to onions or garlic juice, you can go ahead and dilute it with any carrier oil, coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, or even aloe vera juice, just to reduce the effect. For me, I have used it countless times and my scalp absolutely loves it. Once I use it, my scalp is so happy. My scalp is so clean. Now let me show you how I apply this to my scalp. I decided to do this because after the carrot water that I used on my hair, I noticed that I had a lot of dandruff and build up and my hair was itching a lot. So I decided to use onions and garlic just to clean up my scalp and get rid of the dandruff. I applied on each line of my cornrow and then I massaged it into my scalp. I did this on each section of the cornrow. While I was at it, I already started feeling the hotness from this concoction. I can already tell you that this will definitely work. There is no how this thing will not work. Okay, this is going to grow out your hair. This is going to make your hair longer and even thicker. If you're looking for a home remedy that is cost effective, that will grow out your hair, cure every of your scalp issues, onions and garlic is the deal. You can even add ginger. If you have used this mixture in the past, let me know in the comment section. Tell me what it was for you. Tell me your experience. Tell me if you can relate to this hotness I'm feeling on my scalp right now. It just feels like my scalp is on fire and I love the feeling. Like I love every bit of this. The only downside to this is that if this gets into your hair, you are going to cry when no one is beating you. Like you are going to cry so much. The tears in your eye is going to run over. So be very careful while applying it. That is why I have a towel wrapped around my neck. So once it gets down, I'll just use the towel to clean up my face before it gets into my eye. After the application, I'm going to go ahead and place a shower cap just to help heat to trap it into my scalp. And I'm going to leave this for at least 30 minutes before I wash it out. We have finally come to the end of this video. If you learn one or two, please like and subscribe before leaving. Bye.